How long is the hypotenuse if one leg of the right triangle is 12 inches and the other leg is 5 inches long? And ang question, how long is the hypotenuse? A, 16, B, 13, C, 10, D, 15. Take note, kapag dalawa lang yung given, automatically Pythagorean theorem na tayo. So Pythagorean theorem, C is equal to the square root of A squared plus B squared, and our given A is 12, okay? Then B is 5, okay? Then let's solve for the hypotenuse, which is the C. So from this, we need to replace the given values of A and B, which is 12 squared and 5 squared. Then simplify lang natin. 12 times 12, we have 144. 5 squared or 5 times 5, we have 25. Then, add mo lang sila. So, 144 plus 25, that is 169. Then, the square root of 169, and that is equal to 13. C is 13. Therefore, the correct answer is letter B po. Follow my talks for more videos. See you to the next episode.